Welcome to the EPO training videos. Part 5, 4, Scatter Plot. Click on the Scatter Plot icon, under the Discovery menu. A pop-up window will be opened. As there is an already applied filter, population here is the selected units. You can select all, or use the selected units. Let's do so, and continue with the variable selection. Two variables were selected by default, for the X and Y axis. Let's change the X axis, and select net income. With the new X axis, scatter plot is updated. Each unit is represented with a dot at the plot, showing correspondence of its net income versus total debt. Now, let's change the Y axis, and select operating income. As the new Y axis is selected, again the scatter plot is updated. We have the units on the plot, with their net income versus operating income. As you will notice, the center of the plot and the weight of the distribution is shifted. You can continue changing the axis, and examine the relations between variables. This time, we have revenue versus operating income. You can notice the change at the units distribution over the plot. In this example, we have revenue versus market cap. Now, let's select an attribute, SP500, and see how the plot will be changed. Based on whether the unit is an SP500 company or not, the true or false discrimination had been applied on the plot. As you can see the legend at the top right corner, the standard unit sign is now split into different signs. You can try selecting different attributes, and see how the units are distributed among different attribute types. Let's use sector. In the previous example, we had just true or false. Now there are more than 10 different sector types, represented with different signs and shown at the legend. To have an overview of different sector types, we can click on the Group Units Action button. As you can see at the updated plot, all units under the same attribute type are centralized and grouped together. Click again to ungroup the units. This time, click on the Show Regression Action button. Straight lines are drawn, to imaginary connect all units under the same attribute types. You can click again on the Action button, to hide the regression lines. You can click on each sign at the legend, to hide or show the respective attribute types from the plot. This practical feature can be used both for filtering and focusing on some types only. Thanks for watching.